$1,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. I see. So he's also charged with abandonment. Is it out of the same transaction?
Yeah, we had a long discussion with him this morning.
I don't know anything about it. Let's find out what's going on, please.
On April 11th, 2025, an officer was dispatched.
The video opens with the judge confirming the defendant's name, Mr. Kubler. Right away, the tone is serious. He's charged with DWI, second offense, meaning this isn't his first time being accused of driving drunk. The judge makes it crystal clear. He's facing up to a year in jail and a hefty fine. Even before the case begins, the tension in the room is heavy. Would you already feel nervous in his place?
To an unknown accident, and noticed a vehicle, a pickup truck, illegally parked in the front yard of the residence. There were fresh tire skid marks, a broken wheel and axle, visibly appeared to be damaged from the Ram truck to a legally parked red Jeep.
As the judge asks questions, confusion pops up about a second charge, abandonment. Even the court staff seems unsure. This adds a layer of chaos to the situation. The judge pauses, clearly annoyed that basic details aren't clear. That's never a good sign. Have you ever watched a courtroom moment where no one seems prepared? This feels like one of those.
The law enforcement officer made kind of pointed, and then, sorry, it said the damage to the Jeep was brought on $5,000. The defendant admitted to driving the truck. It was later identified. The officer also made contact with the wheel witness, who said that he witnessed the defendant in the white truck in the driver's seat behind.
The officer's report begins, a truck parked in someone's front yard, skid marks, a broken wheel, and thousands in damage. It's practically a scene from a crash movie, except this is real life. The defendant reportedly admitted he was driving. Witnesses saw him stumbling
and observed an exit vehicle from the driver's side door. Upon exiting the vehicle, the witness observed he was not stumbling. And then the witness observed slurred speech and strong odor of alcohol beverage emitting from the defendant's breath and person. The defendant also admitted that he was trying to clear the scene and go home, but his vehicle was stolen. The officer made contact with the defendant, who was detained, and noticed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage. And the officer then conducted a standardized field sobriety test, where he witnessed.
Details continue unfolding. The defendant reportedly admits he tried to leave the scene. Officers conduct field sobriety tests, at least they say they did. But something strange starts happening. The report becomes unclear, messy, full of gaps. The judge's patience is thinning. You can feel it. Do you think sloppy police reports should cause a case to fall apart?
Sorry, Your Honor, the leaves off and does not show the standardized field sobriety test results. The officer asked the defendant his intoxication level. The defendant said he was at a 6 out of 10. The defendant said he does not believe it was safe to operate his motor vehicle at this level of intoxication. But had an 11-year-old passenger.
He did not.
I'm sorry, he did not.
The officer wrote that the defendant rated himself a 6 out of 10 on intoxication. This is a shocking moment. Who openly admits they're over halfway to completely drunk while driving? But then something critical is missing: the results of the field sobriety tests. The judge can't believe it. This is supposed to be the backbone of any DWI case, and it's just not there.
I apologize. Just a moment to see if I can.
Judge, I'm going to tell you that's kind of where the DWI investigation stops. The first response that I have is that no field sobriety tests were performed. It also, the credibility of the wheel witness was never discussed in the DIMS, whether the officer found them credible or reliable, et cetera. So I really can't make a lot of sense out of.
It's like the DIMS you're reading these like going through a drive-through, man. I mean, really, who's writing the reports?
Yes, Your Honor.
Over and over and over. I mean, really.
The prosecutor tries explaining. The report is incomplete, missing details, missing important credibility assessments, and overall just badly written. The judge makes a comparison that hits hard. It's like going through a drive-through, man. Who's writing these reports? The courtroom reacts. The frustration is obvious and justified.
Trying to see if I can find anything else.
Case after case, we're just.
So Judge, things don't say it, don't say what is the results of those very revealed sobriety tests, and we do not have an officer.
How on earth am I supposed to find probable cause when Mickey Mouse is writing these reports?
I don't say, I don't know why it's not in the DIMS. Obviously, we didn't write it here. We represent what is written in there, and so.
The judge goes further. How can I find probable cause when Mickey Mouse is writing these reports? It's harsh, but it exposes a critical point. Poor police paperwork can destroy an otherwise strong case. And in this case, that's exactly what happens. Do you think the judge was right to call out the sloppy work so brutally?
I understand your frustration. I'm highly frustrated.
Mr. Kubler, I'm going to find no probable cause in your case. Don't kill anyone. You know, every single day on the news, how many people die in our county because of a DWI? How many? Every single day. We lead the nation in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities because of boneheaded moves that are made day in, day out. Now, this is not to say that they may not indict this case at a later time, but be whatever, just don't kill someone, please.
The ruling arrives. No probable cause. The case cannot move forward. But the judge doesn't stop there. He gives Kubler a stern lecture about DWI deaths in the county, reminding him that people die every day because of decisions like this. This is the emotional punch of the video. It's firm, real, and heavy. Do you think the judge's speech will scare him straight?
Take a seat, please, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.
The case ends with a warning. He may still be indicted later, but for now, he's free to go. The judge ends with a serious plea. Just don't kill someone. It's a chilling but necessary message. In this courtroom clip, a man facing a second offense DWI charge nearly finds himself in major legal trouble until the judge discovers the officer's report is incomplete, inconsistent, and missing essential information. Due to the poor documentation, the judge must legally find no probable cause, ending the case for now. However, the judge delivers a powerful warning about the deadly consequences of drunk driving, emphasizing personal responsibility and public safety. If you enjoyed this breakdown of real courtroom drama, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intense cases, emotional moments, and detailed explanations from inside the courtroom.